Hey guys, I'm Kristen. I'm the leasing director here at Bowman Point, and today we're going to be walking through one of our special Sapphire units. This unit is normally 580 square feet, but this one is special. It is 680 square feet, and we will see why in just a little bit. But standard with all of our apartments that comes with your utility package, you get an alarm system when you first walk into your unit, which is right here. We also allow for you to set and disarm your alarms from your cell phone, so that's a really neat feature to have. Also, when you first walk in, you have a little coat closet right here that you can store your brooms and vacuums and your coats for the winter. I'll take you over here to the bathroom. Our bathrooms at Bowman Point have spa showers with rainfall shower heads that come from the ceiling. You can turn these on at the same time or one by one if you'd like. So you have the rainfall, you have both of them, and then you can just turn on the wall if you'd like. Also, another feature that we have in our bathrooms here in the Sapphire is that we have a little laundry chute, which is really awesome to have because this actually connects you over to your master closet so that you can transfer your laundry back and forth without having to lug your hamper through your apartment. And now we're going to go into the kitchen where we have tons of cabinet space in the Sapphire. Actually, we have the most cabinet space out of all of our floor plans in the Sapphire unit. You have a nice big pantry space right here. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and designer backsplashing continue through the kitchen as well as the bathrooms. And then you also have a nice little feature for your sink where you have a double spray, one normal, one also for your more tough stains on your dishes. We have your living room space right here. This unit does not have a balcony or patio space, but there is tons of extra space around the property that you can always go to and get a little fresh air. Right over here, we have our media wall, which actually allows for you to mount your TVs on your wall. That way you don't have any cording hanging down. Everything is housed within this little cubby hole right here. And then also that saves you space to where if you had a TV stand now, you don't really have to have one. You can just mount your TV on your wall and save some space in here. A nice little eat-in bar that you can put some bar stools at and have some eating area. But you can also put over here a nice little bistro table if you have one of those, if you want a more defined eating space. And then the bedroom is right in here. We'll get to the bonus at the very end, but you have a nice big bedroom in here. You can easily fit large furniture, queen size bed if you have that. You also get the media wall in your bedroom so you can mount your TVs. If you don't have your own washer and dryer, that's okay because this unit actually features a stackable washer and dryer, and this is the neat little hamper I was telling you about. So this actually opens up to where you can throw your laundry down in there, or if you'd like, you can open it up down from the bottom and pull your hamper out that way. Tons of hanging space in your closet as well, even space down on the floor for shoe racks. And so now we're going to look at the bonus of this room. We don't have very many of these on the property, so this is a very special unit. When you walk in, you actually have a nice big space. This is not considered an extra bedroom, so you're actually kind of getting a 2-bedroom for the utility package pricing of a 1-bedroom. This is about, I would say, 100 square feet or so. You can fit a nice little office in here. If you would like to use this as an extra closet space or even a guest room, you can definitely do that. So if you'd like to apply for the Sapphire with a bonus room, this is a 680 square foot apartment. It leases out for $968 a month before the $50 utility package. Just as a reminder, with that utility package, you get your Fidelity HD TV cable, high-speed internet, water, sewer, trash, pest control, and security alarm. If you'd like to apply for the apartment, go to bowmanpoint.com, click the Apply Now tab, go down to Phase 1, it's apartment 1031, and you can apply online. Thank you so much. Have a good day.